This is the video where the nurse in me takes over. I've helped a lot of healthcare professionals relocate to the East Valley, and there are 4 things that almost never come up in standard relocation advice, but that I tell every single client before they sign anything. Let's go through them. Number 1, the summer heat is not a lifestyle inconvenience. It's a genuine health consideration. When it's 115 degrees in July, that affects how you live, how you commute, and what your home needs to have. North-facing backyard, pool access if you can manage it. Covered parking, I walk every client through sun exposure and outdoor livability when we're touring. Don't skip that conversation. It is absolutely vital for your move. Number 2, if you're relocating from another state, start your Arizona licensure paperwork before you move, not when you arrive. I have worked with nurses, PAs, and physicians who underestimated the endorsement timeline and ended up delaying their start date. Arizona is generally efficient, but there are still processing windows and document requirements. Start early. Don't let paperwork delay your income. Number 3, the rent versus buy question. My honest answer is, it depends on how well you know the market. If you've visited toured communities and you know where you want to be, buying immediately makes financial sense. You start building equity from day one and you're not paying someone else's mortgage. But if this is your first time in the Valley and you're not sure yet, 6 to 12 months of renting while you get oriented is not a bad move. What I don't want is for you to buy in the wrong location and regret it 2 years later. Number 4, most of the East Valley's newer developments are HOA managed. That's not automatically good or bad, but you need to understand what you're agreeing to before you close. Fees, rules, restrictions. Some HOAs are well run and genuinely add value to the neighborhood and your investment. Others are not. That is part of what I look at on your behalf, and I'll always walk you through it before you commit. Here's the thing, relocating as a healthcare professional is different from a standard move. You're dealing with licensure, shift schedules, on-call considerations, and sometimes a new hospital system culture all at the same time. Having someone in your corner who understands both the nursing world and the real estate market is genuinely useful. That's exactly what I do. Drop AZ move in the comments for my free East Valley relocation guide. I'm Kimberly, nurse, realtor, East Valley local. If this series helped you, subscribe and share it with someone you know who's making this move. I'll see you there.
Your world is chaos. Your next move shouldn't be. Strategic real estate with a calm hand. Find your focus.